If you're ever on Twitter or YouTube and you're wondering, is this guy a fake or this girl a fake? Well, ask yourself this question. Are they freaking out or like getting really bearish about this little tiny dip that we're having? That is a huge red flag. I'm here to tell you, there's nothing to worry about. You know why? Because I've been in this space a long time, and I can tell you we've seen much worse dips in the past. Now, a lot of people are like, well, you know what? GBTC is finally selling their Bitcoin. Well, let me tell you this. They've been in this space since 2013. And a lot of these people finally can sell their Bitcoin after, almost over 10 years. They are now provided with a lot more liquidity now that it's been converted into an ETF, which gives them the ability to sell. And you know what? I don't think this is all GBTC selling right here. I think what's happened is that everybody got excited that BlackRock was onboarded to Bitcoin, and guess who are the best manipulators in the world, in the history of the world? BlackRock and friends. They don't have $11 trillion in assets under management by being the nice guys, all right? They're not your friend. And to clarify this, Income Sharks on Twitter also says they couldn't beat us, so they decided to join us. Prepare for institutional manipulation as they drive prices down so that they can buy more. It'll be amazing when they flip a switch and start pushing how bullish the halving narrative is. Yes, we have a halving narrative in just a couple more months, and people are freaking out. It's unbelievable. But you know what? I've been in this space a long time, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts on what I went through during 2016 through 18. By the way, this is a bull market I'm going over right here. We had the first dip was a 38% dip. The second dip, a 38% dip. The next dip, a 33% dip. The next dip, 38%. The next one, 36%. And the last one before we had a parabolic blow off top to almost $20,000, 29% dip. We went down, 14.5%? Pathetic. If you need somebody to hold your hand because so many people are bearish in this space, sign up for learningcrypto.com, home of the CT Club, where you can see my thoughts on pretty much a daily basis on the market and the micro caps, mid caps, and large caps that we are getting into. So if this is the volatility that giant institutions are providing to Bitcoin, well, you know what? This is nothing compared to what we experience with a free market on hand. So we also have Vanguard, who is also trying to shake out weak hands, definitely trying to put pressure on the market. They came out and said, we are denying our customers' abilities to buy a spot Bitcoin ETF on our platform. And they said this because it goes against their vision. Now you're having a lot of people go uproar like, oh, I'm going to take my money out. This is bull crap. I hate this. Screw Vanguard. Let's get him back. These people do zero research because Vanguard, which you'll hear it from here probably first. They are the majority shareholder of U.S. Bitcoin mining companies. Yes, you probably didn't hear that from them. Of course not. The point is, they are interested in Bitcoin, and it's probably not going to be denied for very long. Heidi and I had a discussion today about, okay, when would they allow this spot Bitcoin ETF to be for their customers? Well, Heidi's like, well, maybe they're just doing this to put pressure on the market so that, just like Jamie Dimon did back when he was making fun of Bitcoin and also claiming he's going to fire anybody trading Bitcoin under his watch, and he made fun of his daughter. Meanwhile, they were buying Bitcoin at that same exact time. Same thing here. They probably want to dump the price. My theory is that they might wait a little bit longer until the end, probably near the end of the bull market, and then allow their customers to onboard because the prices are going to be skyrocketing by then, and everybody's going to climb in, and there's going to be a giant sell-off. That is going to be the start of a multi-year bear market, in my opinion. And then they are going to get crushed, never to want it again. But guess who has a ton of Bitcoin after that? Vanguard. So keep that in mind if you're tempted to sell during these dips. in this bull market. We are in a bull market, guys, and you're selling your Bitcoin to Vanguard and all of these other crooks. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe. Check us down, learningcrypto.com. Talk to you later.